This is a video on how to generate more income from your rental property. These are some great tips to maximize your revenue. These tips are not in rank order. The last tip might be equally or more important to you than the first. So please watch the whole video. If you have one single family home, or a few multifamily buildings, these tips will be helpful. As someone who owns a number of multifamily properties, I am always thinking about how to increase the income and reduce the expenses associated with each property. My brain is always going through these exercises. This video is focused on the income growth. Let's get after it. First, add storage. Tenants love storage. Examples include storage in the unit or basement storage lockers. Think about your space and some storage solutions that won't be expensive, but can add some additional rent or storage fees. A place to store a bike or holiday decorations is a nice value add for tenants. As an example, I am adding 3 storage lockers into a basement of one of my buildings. This basement is currently almost 1,000 square feet of unused space that is generating zero revenue. By adding storage, I will now get money for the unused space. Second, add off-street parking. A car space, or extra car space, is a huge bonus for urban tenants. This is very important in high-density areas with limited parking. By giving tenants more value, it is a great way to charge more for your rental. The buildings I own with off-street parking are never a challenge to rent, and they demand higher rents. Third, consider pet-friendly rental. Pet-friendly properties are in high demand. As most pet owners know, pets are part of the family. Properties that allow pets will demand a higher rent. Keep in mind, pet fees won't be 100% profit, as there are risks and additional expenses that may come with pets. In some of my buildings, we allow small pets. We often see cats mostly, or occasionally a small dog. Fourth, increase your rents. It is best to keep your rents at the market rental value. Some investors have issues raising rents, don't like difficult conversations, and don't like losing tenants. However, there is nothing wrong with charging market rents. If you are looking to increase the rents materially, consider a renovation to add value. For example, new appliances, new lighting, or a kitchen or bathroom makeover. These things go a long way. We added new vinyl plank floors to 2 apartments recently, and were able to increase the rents on average $450 per month in each apartment. This was a great ROI on the cost to make the renovation. Fifth, add laundry. I believe washer and dryers create extra expense and pain maintaining them. However, what I prefer to do is install the hookups and let the tenants provide their own machines. They are responsible for the maintenance and wear and tear on the machine. Then I charge higher rents for the hookups and water usage. Sixth, honor the lease with your commitments and charge fees fairly. Don't be a pushover when it comes to rent collection and late fees. Make sure your tenants understand, this is a business, they signed a contract, and it is your job to honor the contract. And so must the tenants. 7. Consider offering TV, internet or Wi-Fi to tenants, and include the extra service in the rent. This is an easy way to bundle the package, and offer a higher rent as a result. Increasing the income is only half the equation. Reducing expenses is the other side of the effort to improve the cash flow. Some ideas to improve the net cash flow performance of your property include: avoid vacancies, self-manage, self-repairs, reduce utility expenses, buy competitive insurance, and get your own real estate license to reduce leasing expenses. These expense reduction ideas we will also cover in another video on how to lower expenses. The ideas for generating more income from your property will depend on your property type, location, and size. But they should be endless. Get creative, and think about what you would want, if you lived there. Generating extra income is just the start. Reducing turnover, cleaner buildings, and providing great quality, will make your product strong so tenants will be reluctant to leave. All of these efforts will strengthen your business. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to crush the like button and subscribe so you can watch other videos.